Hi, I'm Sarah O'Neill from My Wedding PT, and here's a 4-minute butt blaster routine. So 30 seconds of exercise. We're going to start with the clam. So heels and toes together, hips, knees, ankles 90 degrees. You can bring your knees more forward of your hips if you prefer, or you can have them a little lower. Doesn't matter, same move. Exhale as you squeeze, glutes, inhale as you relax down. And think about just pressing up with that knee. If you're feeling pain in your hip, it's not quite right. You want to feel it right in your glute. So just reset position if you're feeling it more in your hip. So we're then going to extend into a straight leg lift. Toe points down slightly. Soft foot, you're not tensing your toes. Just lift and lower again, feeling the work in the glutes, the outside thighs. Bottom leg relax, however it's comfortable. So it's not going to be super high. Just lift and then exhale to lower. So it might be starting to work now, you might be starting to feel it now. If at any point that starts to feel too much, just drop your foot down, give your bum a little slap, give it a little rub, massage it out, and then jump back on. We're going to pulse 3, 2, 1 and down, 3, 2, 1 and down, then let's pulse 7, 3, 2, 1, let's give it a 10 pulse, I love a 10 pulse. 8, 7, 6. Again, foot is soft, toes pointing down just slightly. Oh, let's see if we can do another 10, fit another 10 in just about. 3, 2, 1. And we try not to plonk the foot down. We're going to do circles, circles. So see if you can do 8 circles one direction, 8 circles the other direction. I've lost count already. Let's take it back in the other direction. So small circles about the size of an orange, not a grape, not a melon. So just smallish circles. Around about this height, not too high, not too low. We've got 10 seconds more. Blimey. And 5, 4, couple more forward. And then we're just going to bring that knee in front, a little bit of active recovery. We're going to pulse, work the inside thigh of the bottom leg. So this time I'm flexing the toes towards me, and then I'm going to point them away and keep pulsing. So wherever your top leg feels comfortable, you can bring it up here, whatever you like. And again, you can use a band with these sorts of moves as well to just add a little bit of intensity. Flexing and pulsing. I prefer my knee down, up to you. And then flex those toes towards you. Think about engaging that muscle, give it a little bit of a squeeze. Okay, we're back with that top leg. Bring your knee in, we're going to kick it out. Knee to shoulder and kick it out. You can experiment with the angle of your foot, kind of go high, go a little bit low. So you do the last 2 moves now. Should be really feeling this. So nice tempo, nice and slow. In, press through your heel. The more you press your heel, the more you're going to activate your glutes. Slight curl up of the toe in the shoe. Exhale as you press that away. Now we're just going to add a little bit of a pulse to finish. Pulse 3, 2, 1 and press. 3, 2, 1 and press. Core is strong. Everything is staying still. We're just driving that knee in. Let's try a little bit higher. Push in to the shoulder and press it up. Think about driving that heel. Big push away. You've got your last 10 seconds now. Last 2. And last 1. In, push. Relax it down. Give it a good slap. Give it a rub out. Roll onto your back and give it a little bit of a stretch. Good job.